Moves made today could affect how much you pay for car insurance.
A lawsuit from Detroit Mayor Mike Duggan is heading to court. As 7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith is explaining, this isn't the first time that the mayor has tried to change what we pay for insurance.
Yeah, well, we can call this take two. Remember, last year the mayor failed to get his plan through the legislature, and because of that, he's now going through the courts. Now, what he's trying to do is get rid of the no-fault part of auto insurance. This matters to all of us because not only would it affect what we're covered for, but it could potentially lower all of our insurance rates.
I no longer have any faith in Lansing to do the right thing. The rates must be fair and equitable, and excessive rates are unconstitutional because they deny people their right to independence and the access to drive.
That was Mayor Duggan in August when he first filed this lawsuit. His goal? To lower auto insurance rates. Today, a judge considers arguments filed in 2018, and while plenty of drivers want to see cheaper insurance, others are fighting the lawsuit.
I don't know why insurance companies charge what they do for no fault. No fault is just one part of the coverage.
This lawyer reps clients who rely on payouts from no fault benefits this lawsuit threatens to scrap.
They're afraid that nobody is considering their interests in this lawsuit.
That said, other questions remain. Earlier this year, 7 Action News broke down how insurance companies can legally discriminate against women and widows. So while few argue with the need to overhaul insurance, many just aren't sure whose way is the right way.
When you're paying $3,000 or $4,000 in Michigan and they're paying $1,000 a car in Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois, we got to change.
Well, all sorts of things could happen in court. The judge could side with Duggan. He could throw out the lawsuit, or he could kick it back to a lower court to make a decision later on down the road. Now, bottom line is that if this does go Duggan's way, there's two things that could happen. One, he gets a window for 6 months to try to do something to lower all of our insurance rates. And then if that doesn't work, this would allow us to revert back to laws that you see in other neighboring states that already have lower insurance rates. For 7 Action News, I'm Matthew Smith.
All right, thanks a lot, Matthew.